To install the APK file, let's click on download APK. So right now the APK file has been downloaded. Now let's transfer this APK onto your mobile phone. So I have connected my phone to the USB cable and I have transferred the APK to my USB. You can see that this APK is currently here in my phone. So now let's switch on to my phone, and here I will show you how to install the APK and take screenshots of your apps. Now what I will do is I will go to my files, and here within the downloads option I can find my universal APK present here. So let me click on this button. So it will ask me to install. So let me go ahead and click on install. Okay, so the app has been installed. So let me go ahead and open the app. So here I can see that my academy is on. First I can take a screenshot of this. So I have taken a screenshot right now. Now let's go and click on view all. So here my course store page will be visible. So what I can do is I can take a screenshot of this as well. Okay, so the store page is also taken. Now I can go to one of my course sales page. So let me go ahead and take a screenshot of this. So this way you can install your APK and see how your app looks. Now let's go to my computer screen, and here let's go ahead and build the app with security mode enabled, and then create the ABB file and upload it on Play Store.